everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So I have recently subscribed to a subscription for essential oils. Essential oils are really big right now, and I have been trying to incorporate them more into our life to kind of do a more natural kind of safer way of living with me, my husband, and my baby, Jack, who is only about 15 months. So I thought the subscription box was an awesome deal. So I just want to jump on and do a video and kind of show you guys what it's about. So this is only the second month that I have received it, and I absolutely love the first one, but I got the first one a little too late last month in order to do a video about it. So I didn't want to do a video and you guys want it so bad, but it wasn't available anymore. So I made sure to get this month's a little bit earlier, just so I can do a video about it because I think it is absolutely fantastic. So this is this month's, this is April's box. So Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So we're just gonna open it up, comes just like this, and it is $39.99 a month, and you get 4 oils, full-size oils, plus any other items that you would need in order to make the recipes they give you. And they give you about 5 to 6 recipes every month, and they're on pretty good thick cardstock, so you can keep these recipes and continue to use them. So for $39, I think is absolutely fantastic. It is such a great deal. If you buy and use essential oils yourself, you know that essential oils can become quite pricey. So I think this is an awesome, cost-effective way to not only get essential oils, but to also learn how to use them in different ways than you normally would. So first off, this is what the box looks like. So in here we have dryer balls. So these are wool dryer balls, and I am so excited about these. I have been wanting them for ages. I have been using dryer sheets and I'm just tired of them. They cost too much money with the amount that you use, and they're just not good for the environment. So these dryer balls are awesome. So on here, they also give you a recipe. So a dryer ball recipe. So pretty much all you do is you can take, it says, add 2 to 3 drops of a clean and fresh essential oil to your dryer balls. So the clean and fresh is actually one that came this month. So this is a 15 milliliter, 100% pure essential oil. It smells delicious. So it says that you can pretty much diffuse this. I think this will be really good, like when cleaning, you can diffuse it in your diffuser, kind of clean the air, make it fresh, make it smell really good in the house. But the recipe, what it says for these are you're just going to put 2 or 3 drops on each of your balls, and then you're going to let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes. And then after that 2 to 5 minutes, you just throw these into your dryer with your clothes. And not only are they supposed to replace your dryer sheets, but they also are supposed to reduce the amount of time it takes to dry any item. So a lot of people have been saying when they use these that they can reduce their drying time to about 30 minutes, which is great because mine takes at least 60 to 70 minutes in my dryer. So I'm gonna see, it'll be interesting to see if these really do reduce the drying time of my clothes. Okay, so now that we've already talked about clean and fresh, this smells absolutely delicious. I'm trying to see what's in it, but it doesn't say. Maybe on one of the back of these cards. Here we go. So it says, clean and fresh essential oil blend is the perfect mix of outdoors and citrus. This blend is made with fir needle, lemon, grapefruit, and neroli essential oil. It is uplifting while keeping it clean and fresh. So these cards also on the back give you other items. So on the back of this card, it just gives you kind of like a rundown of what each oil is and what it's supposed to do. Okay, next one is thyme. So I've never used this before, and this is why I think this subscription box is so awesome, because you get to learn how to incorporate different oils you never thought you would use in your life. So let's see, thyme. It smells pretty good. So let's see what I can use thyme for. It says, best known in the kitchen as a great aromatic, this essential oil helps support the immune system and gives a great confidence boost. It is warm to the mind and body. Okay, that's perfect. So during like flu and cold season and stuff like that, this would be a great one to diffuse in the diffuser to kind of help kill and, you know, cleanse your home from all of those bad germs. And I'm wondering if I can add this to make it kind of a counter clean, because it's such a great kitchen one and it helps with like the immune and it helps like with all of that. I'm wondering if this would be good in a counter clean kind of to help kill everything, you know, all the germs on your counters. So we'll have to play around with this one. The next one is basil. So let's see. Oh, it smells delicious. So this is what the basil looks like. Okay, and this says, with its sweet and spicy scent, basil essential oil is a great helper in strengthening self-confidence and clearing the mind. So this would be a great one to diffuse when you just kind of need like when your thoughts are kind of all over the place, helps clear your mind. I think that would be great. Smells good. So when I'm having kind of maybe like a rough day, Jack's teething right now really bad. So maybe diffusing this can help calm my mind when he's going through a breakdown. So this might be a great one. Okay, and then on the back, they also say how to use it topically. You're just going to add a few drops, you know, it says on each one how many drops and whatnot to a carrier oil, and you can use it however you want topically. And then also their website has more kind of recipes and ways to use each oil. So I will make sure to link that in my description box below. And the last oil is grapefruit. I was really excited about this because I absolutely love the smell of grapefruit, and I was like, okay, how can I use a grapefruit essential oil? I had no clue that there was even such a thing. So I'm really excited. I think this is the one I'm most excited for in this box. And it just says grapefruit. And it says, grapefruit is a great reminder that summer is just days away. The scent is uplifting and works as a great degreaser in the kitchen. So this might be also a great one to put into a counter clean as well, kind of make your own cleaning product. So that'll be interesting to play with. Okay, so that is everything, like all the items in the box. We'll go through the recipes, but I wanted to point out on each bottle, it says 13%. So it says that for every box purchased or every purchase from Simply Earth, 13% of the proceeds go to ending human trafficking. So it is a great cause that the proceeds are going to. So I like that this box offers so many great things. Plus it also has, you know, it gives to something good. Okay, so let's go through the recipes. I've already talked about the dryer ball recipe. We have a deodorizing disc. So this kind of, what it does is it gives you the ingredients, and anything with like a little star on by it means that it is not included in the box. Now typically you get items like this box, I didn't get any items in it to help with these recipes because last month I got a bonus box, and it is supposed to include all of the extra things I'm gonna need for the next 6 months. So I have all of the extra bottles and anything I could possibly need for these recipes already. So, but I believe that if you sign up and you didn't get that bonus box, they will send you all of these items in the box. That's every other video I've seen. I just got lucky and signed up the month with the bonus box. So, but they do give you everything you're gonna possibly need. So the deodorizing disc, it just gives you the ingredients and then the directions. From what I understand with this, pretty much what it is it just like, you put 5 drops of your essential oil disc on, or 5 drops of essential oil on the disc that you make with the ingredients. And then from there you can store it anywhere, a fridge, a closet, a garbage, like your garbage. So I'm thinking that it's kind of just like a deodorizing kind of thing, and it just kind of helps make areas smell good. So this might be good in the closet, because always in my closets because of the shoes, or in the laundry room with the dirty clothes and all of that, this might be good to help make that smell a little bit better. Next one is dishwasher tablets. So this is obviously just making your own dishwashing detergent. You do need a few of these things, but you probably have it around your house. Borax, washing soda, sea salt, baking soda, and vinegar. Not everyone's going to have washing soda and all that stuff, but if you already make your own stuff, you're gonna have it. I'm sure it's available on Amazon and super easy to get. But again, super cool. I'm excited to try these out and make my own dishwashing detergent. Night diffuser blend. This is exciting because I always run a diffuser every night for my husband, me, and Jack. So it'll be good to have a good night blend. So this says all you do is fill your diffuser with water and add 1 drop of thyme and 1 drop of basil, and that is supposed to be like the perfect diffuser blend. So I'll be interested to try this. I will be trying this tonight, and it's super easy. And the next month, it has the next month on it. So it says Spa Day at Home. Celebrate Mother's Day with our May Essential Oil box. This box is all about having a spa in the comfort of your home while using all natural ingredients. So that is really cool. It says actually what's in it. That is really cool, but I'm not gonna spill the beans. I'm just gonna tell you what kind of box it's gonna be, but there are some great items listed on here. If you want to know, leave a comment down below. I can comment what's gonna be in there, but it looks fantastic. Okay, the next one is bathroom poo spray. So this is gonna be interesting. This might be like the poopery thing that you can buy at Target or Bed Bath & Beyond. I have not ever tried that, so this is gonna be interesting to see how this works and if it really does work and if it smells good. Perfect, and then we have exactly what I've been talking about, an all-purpose cleaning spray. So it just tells you your ingredients and your directions. This one says to add 25 to 30 drops of the Clean and Fresh, but I might play around and make my own with maybe some grapefruit or whichever one I think would be a great one to add. I've heard tea tree oil is really good to add to make cleaner, but the only thing is I've heard that tea tree is really not that great for dogs. And because I have 4, I really kind of want to keep that away because I don't want to have any side effects that I don't want. So it'll be good to find oils other than that to work with. And the last thing that were in the box, which I think is so cool, are stickers. So they give you stickers to add to anything. And the poo spray and the all-purpose cleaner, I did get my bottles last month. Like I said, I stocked up for 6 months. So all I do is I just make everything in these bottles, and then I take the sticker and I stick it right on the bottle. So we have our cleaning spray, our poo spray, we have our dishwasher detergent tablets, our deodorizing discs, and then we have all of the stickers for the bottles. So you just stick it right on the top there. So that is awesome. It does look like though they gave the wrong sticker. They gave orange instead of grapefruit, but that's okay. I have plain stickers of this, so I can just put that on and write grapefruit on it. So that's no big deal, but it's awesome that they give you these stickers to stick right on top so you can easily see what you have made. So yeah, that is it. I think that Simply Earth is such a great company to use. And again, I don't think I've said this yet, but this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I just really, really like the products and what they offer. So I just want to jump on and share it with you because there might be some of you that want to learn about essential oils. And I thought this would be a great way to learn all about them. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will stick around and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.